Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the price action from the daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame. Mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Wednesday, October 12th. At 11:30 am, we have high impact news planned for British pound related currency pairs. At 6 pm, we have high impact news for US dollar related currency pairs. And at 7 pm, we have medium impact news planned for euro related currency pairs. And we have G20 meeting all day today. And at 11:30 pm, we have high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect lots of volatilities in gold for today. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now, and when we look at the current trend of the price action, usually I would recommend you to draw a trend line or the resistance line to understand the current trend. So from this we clearly understand that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, because we have noticed a price action to bounce back from this resistance line on the bearish side retracement. And in the past, we have noticed a price action to trend down up to this support level of 1615, then to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And currently, we are noticing the price action to trend down again. So as long as the price action doesn't break this support level, it is only a retracement of the bullish side bounce back it has made earlier. And only when the price action breaks this support level, it will be a bearish side trend reversal in daily time frame, and this level will be acting as a very strong support for the current price action in daily time frame. So when we look at yesterday's candle, it has formed into an indecision candle. Buyers try to take the market on the bullish side, but they couldn't succeed in closing in green candle. Again we can notice the candle closed in a red color, and today's candle has also opened below the body of the yesterday's candle, which proves that the sellers are still very active. And if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be around 1658, and if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1636, 1615 and 1584. And if the price action bounces back from this support level of 1658, next level of resistance is going to be around 1685 and 1729. And current trend of the price action in daily time frame is in a bearish trend for now. And only when the price action breaks the resistance level of 1729, we can expect the bullish side trend reversal to start in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, as explained in the yesterday's price action analysis also, previously the price action formed a very nice double top pattern, and it made a little bit of retracement, but it couldn't break the resistance level of 1685, and currently we are noticing the bearish trend reversal to happen in 4 hours time frame also. And this level of 1658 is going to be acting as a very strong support, because in the past price action we have noticed the price to consolidate or trade on a sideways price action at this level. So once the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a very steep fall in 4 hours time frame also. And next level of support from the daily time frame is going to be around 1637. So for now, I would recommend you to again draw a resistance line or a trend line for 4 hours time frame. So as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect a bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. So if you want to take trades on the bearish side in 4 hours time frame, wait for the price action to break this support level of 1658, where you can confidently enter into bearish side trade in 4 hours time frame. Overall trend of the price action, it is still trading in a bearish trend, so I would not recommend you to take trades against the trend for now in 4 hours time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and the price action in hourly time frame is also in a bearish trend. it has tested the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, and we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. Wait for the price action to break this support level of 1658 in order to take trades on the bearish side retracement. And if the price action bounces back from this support level, we can expect it to retrace back and to retest this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame. And as long as it is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the price action to continue trading on a bearish trend in hourly time frame also. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1685, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within these blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1668 and support level of 1658. And if the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to retest on the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame. And only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 1683. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1658, next level of support is going to be around 1650, 1642, 1637, 1632 and 1617. And this level of 1658 is a very strong support for the current price action from the daily time frame. Wait for it to break this support level in order to enter into the bearish side trade in hourly time frame also. And current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is also on a bearish trend for now, as long as it is trading below this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the past price action in 30 minutes time frame, it was on a very nice bearish trend, and after breaking this resistance line or the trend line, we are noticing the price action to be trading on a sideways momentum. Wait for the price action to break this support level of 1658 if you want to take trades on the bearish side, or wait for the price action to break this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame if you want to take trades on the bullish side retracement. Next level of resistance on the bullish side is going to be around 1685 from the daily time frame, and only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect the further continuation of the bullish side retracement in 30 minutes time frame. Currently there is no direction in the price action in 30 minutes time frame, since it is trading on a sideways momentum for now. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from this rectangle pattern to take a directional trade in 30 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1664 and support level of 1658. And if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1652, 1643, 1637 and 1632. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1664, next level of resistance is going to be around 1672, and only when the price action breaks this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect it to retest on the daily time frame resistance level of 1685. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1661 and resistance level of 1666. And if the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 1670, 1674, 1678 and 1685. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1661, next level of support is going to be around 1658, 1655 and 1674. Here also we have the support level from the higher time frame. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break the support level of 1658 in order to take trades on the bearish side. And currently the price action in 15 minutes time frame is also under a consolidation within this higher time frame resistance line and the support line from the daily time frame. And current trend of the price action from the higher time frame is still in a bearish trend for now, as long as it is trading below the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends.